Meanwhile, we shift our focus to other breaking news that's coming in, and this is from the state of Maharashtra, where amid discussions over cabinet expansion in Maharashtra, Shiv Sena leader Deepak Keserkar has said that there is no dispute over cabinet expansion. So that's the latest that's coming in. Remember, soon after the Mahayuti leaders were crowned, they were in the national capital yesterday. We saw pictures of Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis meeting Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And after that, what we do learn is that cabinet expansion talks took place with the BJP top brass. And now we are getting in a reaction from Maharashtra Minister Deepak Keserkar, where he has said that there is no difference in Mahayuti over cabinet expansion. Let's listen into that reaction that's coming in.
So far Shiv Sena is concerned, our leader had made it very clear that whatever decision is taken by Honorable President Modi Sahib and Honorable Home Minister Amit Ji would be final for him. So there is no question about bargaining or doing anything. He will wait for their decision and he will continue to work as a leader of Mahayuti, because we have to face the corporation elections, the Nagarpalika elections, ZP elections. So Mahayuti will have to be very strong and they will have to repeat the performance in that elections as well.
As far as the portfolios are concerned, it is also being said that Mr. Shinde is still upset, and for the same reason he skipped the meeting there in Delhi. In fact, Devendra Fadnavis was there in Delhi, Ajit Pawar was there in Delhi, but Mr. Shinde was in Thane.
There was no scheduled meeting in Delhi. So this is a rumor that he has skipped the meeting. If there was any invitation for him, he would have definitely gone there. As a CM will have to go because he is a key person. He is the leader of the cabinet. So he will have to decide, and he will have to decide about so many things. So it is natural that he will have to discuss with the top leadership, take the consent and accordingly implement it in the state. Whenever Honorable Shindeji is called in Delhi, he will definitely go. Why he will not go?
The Supreme Court today was hearing the Places of Worship Act and several pleas that were done on that. And in that hearing, they gave out a big takeaway where they said that there will be no new suits that will be filed, and if there are new suits that will be filed, then no registration will take place of the new suit. What we also learn as the Supreme Court has barred survey orders till the next date of hearing, and they have given centre the 4-week time to reply, and only after that is when new suits will be heard. So that's the latest that's coming in as far as Places of Worship Act is concerned. The Supreme Court was hearing the pleas today. We have reactions of several lawyers on that story. Let's listen in.
प्लेसेज ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट में जो हिंदू पक्ष का भी पिटीशन था, जो सेक्शन 3 और 4 है, उसको अल्ट्रा वायरस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिक्लेयर किया जाए, जबकि मुस्लिम पक्ष का पिटीशन था कि प्लेसेज ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट के सेक्शन 3 और 4 को इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाए। आज माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में दोनों पक्ष की दलीलें आई। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने आज के अपने आदेश में कहा है कि इस सारे मामले की सुनवाई अगली तारीख पर होगी, लेकिन उन्होंने एक आज आदेश पारित किया कि नए सूट रजिस्टर नहीं किए जाएंगे जहां प्लेसेज ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट का मामला इन्वॉल्व होता हो। दूसरा, उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि जो सूट रजिस्टर हो गया है वो सूट तो चलेगी, लेकिन जब तक ये मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पेंडिंग है, कोई इंटरिम ऑर्डर, कोई अदालत जहां ये सूट पेंडिंग है, जो मुस्लिम पक्ष ने कहा 18 सूट टोटल पेंडिंग है, उसमें कोई इंटरिम ऑर्डर पास नहीं किया जाएगा जब तक सेक्शन प्लेसेज ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट का मामला इस कोर्ट में विचाराधीन है।